Today we're going to talk about body condition scoring, and this is a good way to find out your pet's ideal weight. And this is Jessica. She's one of our head nurses' little dogs. She's a 9-year-old Cavalier King Charles, who's very camera shy at the moment, and she's going to help me demonstrate to you exactly how we carry it out. Good girl. The body condition scoring ranges from numbers 1 to 5. As you can see here, 1 is very thin and 5 is obese. And they've been carried out for both dogs and for cats. So you don't have to worry if you've just got a cat rather than just a dog. It's very important to monitor your animal's weight throughout their life, because that gives a happy, healthy pet at the end of the day. And one thing we need to consider while we're carrying out the body condition scoring is that all breeds come in different sizes and shapes. As you can see in the pictures here, one very thin, so you can see the ribs of them to feel them. And obviously number 5, you can just see podgy areas rather than anything distinctive then. Normal dog cat is ideally number 3. Here you can see, as you feel over, you'll be able to feel as well. There's just a thin, light fat covering over the rib area, and you should be able to feel your bony provinces as you feel over and do examinations then.
What should a normal body condition score be?
It should ideally be number 3, like Jessica here. We start off the shoulder area, and we just press lightly just to feel the shoulder blades. And we then run our hands down over the rib area, where we're just feeling slightly. There's a nice slight fat layer, but we can feel the ribs just underneath. We keep running our hands into the waist area, which has got a nice petite little waist. If we keep feeling down towards the tail base, we can feel the pelvis there, which has just got a nice light fat layer over. And you want to be able to feel the bony prominences as you do the examination as well then. We'll just check underneath, and we can feel quite nicely underneath the chest area. Again, there's just that light fat layer, so we can still feel the ribs underneath. And as we run our hands underneath, we can feel there's no excess fat there. You should be able to feel, if you run your finger over your knuckles, that should be what you should be able to feel as you run your fingers over their rib cage then. If you're feeling as if you'd rub over your wrist, if that's what you're feeling as you rub over the rib cage, you know that they're a little bit on the chunky side. In that case, feel free, give us a ring, we get a nurse appointment in for you, and we can discuss diet and daily amounts and things and help you just reduce that weight down. It's important to monitor your animal's weight throughout their life, because this helps for a happy, healthy animal. If your pet is overweight, they're more prone to heart disease, arthritis, liver problems and diabetes. Many of the dogs we see are overweight, but unfortunately the owners don't realise this. So if you're able to body condition score at home, this is one way you can check to see if they are. And obviously then bring them in for a nurse appointment, and we can give you a hand carrying out your scoring, and obviously go through diet and treats and exercise and things like that, where just so we can get some weight off if you need to then. If you'd like to bring your pet in for a body condition scoring with one of the nurses, please feel free to give us a ring, and we'll be more than happy to go through it with you then.